Good morning children, welcome to maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home, Nana. So up to now we completed 3.1 exercise up to 8th problem, isn't it? Are you writing the classwork regularly, Nana? Yes, you have to write the classwork neatly without mistakes. Okay? So watch the video and you have to write the classwork continuously. Okay, ma? So we completed up to 8th Roman, Nana. So today I am going to start the next problem. 9th problem. So which of the following are divisible by 8? Come on, tell me children, what is the divisibility by 8? Yes, the number formed by its last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. So that is the divisibility of 8. Okay ma? So now we have to check it. Which of the following are divisible by 8? See children, here the 4 problems are given, Nana. I will explain 2 problems. Remaining 2 problems you do as homework. Okay? Are you ready children? Okay Nana, all of you open your maths classwork and textbook. And see, note down Nana first 9th problem. Which of the, my dear children, you have to continue the classwork neatly, Nana. Which of the following are divisible by 8? Okay ma? Write the question, Nana. So here 4 sums are given, Nana. First problem you can do yourself, Nana. Now I will explain the second one and fourth one. Okay. Second one and third one I will explain. Second one, Seema. 13,576. Yes. First you have to write the, come on tell me, what is the divisibility by 8? The number formed by its last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. Yes, the number formed by last 3 digits of the number. The last 3 digits of the number. Come on, tell me what are the last 3 digits? Yes, 576. Okay, ma? 576. Now we check it whether this number is divisible by 8 or not by actual division. 8 sevens are 56. 1, take down 6, 8 2s are 16. Yes, this number is divisible by 8. Okay, so yes, it is divisible by 8. So the given number (13,576) is divisible by 8. Very, very easy, Nana. Like this only we check it by 8. Okay. So how do you check? First you write the last 3 digits of the given number. The last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8. Then the given number is divisible by 8. How do you know? If the remainder is equal to 0, then it is divisible by 8. If the remainder is not equal to 0, then it is not divisible by 8. But here we get the remainder 0, Nana. So as it is divisible by 8. So the given number 13,576 is divisible by 8. Note down in your classwork neatly, children. Okay, Kinera. And next fourth one, same like this only. Fourth one, not third one I will explain. Fourth one you do as homework. Okay. So first one and fourth one you do as homework, Nana. So 93,624. So the number formed by the last 3 digits. The number formed by the last 3 digits of the number. So you can write the last 3 digits of the number also. Okay. Come on, tell me what are the last 3 digits of the number? 624. Come on, you check it ma, whether it is divisible by 8 or not. See Nana, here 6 is small number, so we can't divide directly. So that you take 2 numbers, 62. What's the nearest number in 8 table? 8 7s are 56. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 2 small number Nana, so that you take borrow. 2 becomes 12, 6 becomes 5. You came to 5th class Nana, so this calculation you have to do in your mind only. Okay, 12 minus 6 is 6, 5 minus 5 is 0. So that you take down 4. Okay, 8 8s are 64. Okay, yes, here also we get the 0 Nana, reminder. So yes, it is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. So the given number So the given number 93,624 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. You can't see the board Nana? Okay. So it is divisible by 8. So the given number 93,624, this number only Nana, divisible by 8. Okay. So the given number 93,624 is divisible by 8. Note down in your classwork neatly, and you have to do the first one and the fourth one as homework. Okay. Now, see children, if you can't write in time, just pause the video and write neatly. Okay? Just pause the video and complete that problem. And next one, Seema, 10th one, write the nearest number to 12,345, which is divisible by 5. Write the nearest number to which is divisible by 4. Write down in your classwork children. Note down the question. Write the nearest number to 12,345 which is divisible by 4. Okay. Write down in your classwork neatly. So given number first. Given number equal to the last 2 digits. The number formed by its last 2 digits. The number formed by last 2 digits. Come on, tell me what are the last 2 digits of the number 45. First, before going to that, can you say what's the divisibility by 4? Come on, tell me children. Yes, if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. That means in any number the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. That is the divisibility by 4. So that first you take here the given number, the last 2 digits equal to 45. But we can't divide the 45 by 4 exactly. So that you have to subtract. Here 5 is there in the ones place, Nana. 5 is not divisible by 4. So that we have to subtract 1 from 45. Then it becomes 44, which is divisible by 4. Okay, is it clear to you, Nana? Here 45, Nana. 45 can't divisible by 4. So that you have to subtract 1 from this, then it becomes 44, and which is divisible by 4. Okay, so you write here, so subtract 1 from 45. If we subtract 1 from 45, it becomes 44, which is divisible by 4. Okay. So the nearest number, therefore, the nearest number to which is divisible by 4, the nearest number to 12,345. So we'll write that, write the nearest number which is divisible. Therefore, the nearest number which is divisible by 4 to 12,345 equal to 12,344. Is it clear to you, children? So the nearest number which is divisible by 4 to 12,345 equal to 12,344. Why, Nana? Here 5 can't divisible by 4. So that you have to subtract 1 from 45, then it becomes 44. So which is divisible by 4. Yes, 44 can be divisible by 4. So the nearest number to 12,345 is divisible by 4 equal to 12,344. Is it clear to you, children? Yes, first you note down the given number. The number formed by the last 2 digits equal to 45. If we subtract 1 from 45, why we have to subtract? That's your doubt. Why? Because 45 can't divisible by 4. So that if you subtract 1 from 45, then it becomes 44. So which is divisible by 4. So then therefore the nearest number, sorry Nana, sentence formation. The nearest number to 12,345 is divisible by 4. 4 is 12,344. So therefore the nearest number to 12,345 is divisible by 4 is 12,344. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? This only the nearest number which is divisible by 4. Okay, note down in your classwork, Nana. Okay. Very, very easy, Nana. Try to understand the given problem. The nearest number is 12,300, sorry, given number is 12,345. The number formed by the last 2 digits equal to 45, but it can't divisible by 4. So that you have to subtract 1 from 45, it becomes 44. So 44 can be divisible by 4. So the nearest number to 12,345 divisible by 4 is 12,344. Okay. Yes. Next one, divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Write the side heading. Divisibility by 11. Keep the side heading, children, and write down a given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places write along with me, Nana. At even places from the right is either 0 or multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. Okay, this is the divisibility by 11, Nana. Come on, tell me. A given number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, then only it is divisible by 11. Take one example. Is divisible by 11. We'll check it. How do you check? Yes, first sum of the digits at the odd places. Sum of the digits odd places. See, Nana, what is meant by odd places? You have doubt. Start from the right side, Nana. This right side. This is first place, no, Nana. 1 is an odd number, no. Next, second leave. Second place. Next, third. So that means this is 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbering of the digits. So 1 and 3 places numbers. 1 and 3 places digits. That means first place and third place. So first, third, these are the, that means 1, 3 numbers are the odd numbers. So the sum of the digits at odd places. This is odd place. Why? Because it is a 1. Next 2. Next 3. So this 1 and 3 are the odd places. So you have to add these 2. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Next, sum of the even places. Sum of the digits at even places. Even places means, what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, those are. Come on, tell me this is second place, fourth place. So these are the even places. 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Now we have to find the difference. Difference equal to 10 minus 9 equal to 1. It's not equal to 0. It's not is the multiple of 11. So the given number is not divisible by 11. Okay, Nana? 1 not multiple of 11. Therefore, so 6535. So we can't see this, Nana. I will write next. So 6535. Can you see the board? Is not divisible by 11. Okay, ma? Okay, can you see the board now? So 6535 is not divisible by 11. Okay, so you have again one doubt. What is odd places and what is even places, ma'am? See, Nana, in the given number, this is first place, okay, second place, third place, fourth place. Here first and third are even numbers, sorry, odd numbers. Second and fourth are even numbers. Okay, so see, if you give the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 4 digits are there, Nana. First place, third place numbers are odd places. Second place, fourth places are the even places. Is it clear to you, children? The first place, third place are the odd places. Second place and fourth place are the even places. Why? Because odd numbers, tell me, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are odd numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, those are even numbers. Okay, Nana? So, sum of the digit at odd places means first and third. So, first place is 5, third place is also 5. So, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. And the sum of the digits at even places equal to second and fourth place. Second place digit is 3 and fourth place digit is 6. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Now, we find the difference. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. But it is not multiple of 11. So, 6535 is not divisible by 11. Okay? Note down in your classwork neatly. Can I rub this one, children? Write down ma palindrome number. Next. Palindrome number. So, what is meant by palindrome number? So, see ma, palindrome number is a number which reversing in its digits gives the same number. Okay, suppose if you take this one, Nana, 1221. If which you reverse this digits, then also we will get 1221. Okay, is it clear to you, Nana? So, if you take this number and reverse this number also we get the same 1221. So, 1221 is a palindrome number. Okay, palindrome number, Nana. Whoa, palindrome number. And see here, which on reversing its digits gives the same number. So, if we reverse these digits also we can get the same number. So, thus every palindrome number with even number of digits is always divisible by 11. Write the palindrome number of 6 digits. See, Nana, even number of digits. Here we are having 4 digits, Nana. So, every palindrome number with even number of digits is divisible by 11. Need not to check it. Okay, ma? So, we will write that a number which on reversing its digits, write down a number which on reversing its digits gives the same number. Okay. So, every palindrome number write along with me, children. Every palindrome number with even number of digits, with even number of digits is always divisible by 11. Okay, ma, this is one point. So, a number which on reversing its digits gives the same number is called palindrome number. Okay. So, for example, okay, now they are asking Write palindrome number of 6 digits. So palindrome number of 6 digits equal to, so 6 digits palindrome number, we'll write like this, 6 digits palindrome number. Palindrome number with 6 digits. One, two, three, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. See, if you reverse this, we can get the same number. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Your choice, Nana. You will take another number also. Okay, they are asking a palindrome number with 6 digits equal to example. This is also an example. Okay, you will take another number also. Let us take 1, 4, 5, 5, 4, 1. Okay, 1, 6, 7, 7, 6, 1. Like this. Okay, Nana, you take your own example. Is it clear? What is meant by palindrome number? Yes, a number which on reversing its digits gives the same number. If you reverse these digits also, we get that 12,000, what is this? 1,23,321. Okay, note down in your classwork neatly. Now exercise 3.2. See, Nana, 3.2, fresh page open and write exercise 3.2 and note down the first question along with me. Using divisibility rules, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Note down in your classwork, children. So here they are given, Nana, 4 numbers. I will explain that 2 numbers. Remaining 2 problems you do as homework. Okay. So I will explain the second one first. 10934. So sum of the digits at odd places. So what is the divisibility by 11? Come on, tell me, children. As the difference between the sum of the digits at the odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places is equal to 0 or either 0 or multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. So my dear children, you have to learn the divisibility rule, Nana. So if you remember the divisibility rule, then only we can know whether the number is divisible by the given number or not. Okay. So you have to learn the divisibility rule. Okay. So sum of the digits at odd places. First we will take odd places. Odd places, tell me. 1, 3, 5 places. So first place is 4. Third place. So for that better understanding, I'll keep like this. Okay. First, third, 5. So these places you have to add 4 plus 9 plus 1. So its answer is 14. Okay, Nana? You have to remember like this: first place, third place, fifth place. So these are the odd places. Next, sum of the digits at even places. Sum of the digits at even places. Tell me here. So this is second place, fourth place. Okay, this and this only. So 3 plus 0, 3 only. Okay. Now we find the difference. 14 minus 3 equal to 11. Yes, 11 is the multiple of 11 only, no? 11 ones are 11. So it is divisible by, so 10,934 is divisible by 11. So the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Here we get the 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. So my dear children, here only you are, I think you are having the confusion here itself. So here you must be very, very careful. Odd places, even places. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7. So that odd places, first place, third place, fifth place. So odd places numbers only you have to add. Next, even places number. Even places this means 3 plus 0. Okay. So don't be confusion here children. Here you must be very careful while adding the odd places and even places. Odd places means you know that odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7. So that places, first place, third place, fifth place. Okay. And second place and fourth place are the even. So 3 plus 0. Note down in your classwork, ma. Next, second problem, Seema. So second problem we completed. Now third problem. So you do 1 and 4th as homework. 7, 1, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5. Okay, first same like that only. Sum of the digits at odd places equal to see odd place, first place, third place, fifth place, seventh place. So 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. So 5. So you can't see the board. So 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. That means 14, 17, 24. Okay, ma? Sum of the digits at odd places equal to 24. Now even places 6, 8, 1. So sum of the digits at even places equal to 6 plus 8 plus 1, 15. What's the answer? 15. Now their difference equal to, here we will write 15, no problem. Now their difference 24 minus 15 is 9. So okay, but 9 is not a multiple of 11. So 1, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5. Okay, 71,38,965 is not divisible by 11. So very, very easy children. Just you have to find the sum of the digits at odd places, sum of the digits at the even places, and find the difference. If the difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. But here the difference is not a multiple of 11. So the given number is not divisible by 11. Note down in your classwork. Next, you do the remaining problems as homework, Nana. Next, second problem. Okay? Just you pause the video and complete mark. Now, second problem, Nana. Write all possible numbers between 2000 and 2100 that are divisible by 11. Yes, write down in your classwork. Second problem, write all the possible numbers between 2000 and 2100 that are divisible by 11. So this is the problem, Nana. All of you write down in your classwork. Second problem. Write neatly, Nana. Okay. So see children, here they are asking 2000 and 2100. So which numbers are divisible by 11 between 2000 and 2100? So before going to that, first you have to find out the starting number that lies between 2000 and 2100 which is divisible by 11. Come on, tell me, Nana, which is the starting number here? 2000 is there. Next number 2001. Is it divisible by 11, children? No. So next number 2002. 2002 is divisible by 11. Why? Because see, Nana, it is a palindrome number, no, Nana. If we reverse these digits, we get the same number. So that palindrome, every 4-digit palindrome number is divisible by 11. In before I explained to you. So here if you take this, sum of the odd places 2 plus 0. Sum of the even places so 2 plus 0. So the difference is 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so it is divisible by 11. Yes, write down. So 2002 is a starting number. Divisible by 11. Divisible by 11 in between 2000 and 2100. Okay. Now you find out that 2000, now we get the 2002 is a starting number. How to find the next numbers? As you should add, next you add 11 every time to get the next number. Now we add 11 every time to get the next multiple of 11. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, children? Yes, add, Nana. So now 2002 is a starting number. If you add 11, so it becomes 2013. Okay. Next add 11, 2024. Next add 11, 2035. Next 2035 plus 11, 46. Okay. Now 2046 plus 11, yes, 57. Next 2057 57 plus 11, 68. Now 2000. 68 plus 11, 79. Now 2090. Okay, this is the last number which is divisible by 11 in between 2000 and 2100. Okay, Nana, if you add 11, we'll get the next number, that is 2101. But they are asking the numbers which are divisible by 11 between 2000 and 2100. So we have to stop up to here. So these all numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, ma? So how do you find, Nana? First, you have to find the starting number which is divisible by 11 in between 2000 and 2100. So here 2002 is a starting number. Next, you have one doubt. Why, ma'am, 2001 is not divisible by 11? Because, see, ma, if you reverse those digits, we can't get the same number, and it is also not divisible by 11. See? So sum of the odd places 0 plus 1. Sum of the even places 2, and the difference is not equal to 0. So 2001 is not divisible by 11. So that you take 2002. So 2002 is a starting number divisible by 11, and in between 2000 and 2100. Now we add 11 every time to get the next multiple of 11. See, Nana, 2002, if you add 11 we get 2013. So same like that we write up to 2090. So these all numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, ma? So these numbers, therefore, these numbers are divisible by finish 11. Okay, ma? Write down in your classwork neatly, children. Next, third problem, Nana. See, third problem. Write the nearest number to 1234 which is divisible by 11. Okay, ma? Now we have to find the nearest number to 1234 which is divisible by 11. So first, given number. (1234). Okay. So in these numbers, first, sum of the odd digits. Sum of the odd digits. Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits at odd places. Sum of the digits at odd places. Tell me, Nana, odd places, first place, third place. That means 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Next, sum of the digits at even places. Even places means second place and fourth place. Second place digit is 3, fourth place digit is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, ma? But what is the divisible by 11? Is the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places is equal to 0 or multiple of 11, then that is divisible by 11. But here if find the difference 6 minus 4 equal to 2, but it is not divisible by 11, isn't it? So that you have to subtract 2 from the sum of the digits at odd places, then it is equal to the sum of the digits at even places. Okay? See, Nana, if you subtract 2 from 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. It must be equal to, see, the sum of the digits at the even places. Then 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Is it clear to you, children? Don't get any confusion here. See ma, sum of the digits at odd places equal to 6, sum of the digits at even places equal to 4. So if you subtract 2 from the sum of the digits at odd places, then it is equal to the sum of the digits at even places. Okay ma, write down. So if we subtract 2 from the sum of the digits, at odd places, then it is equal to sum of the digits at even places. Okay. So to make the difference 0, we have to subtract 2 from the sum of the digits at odd places. Okay ma? And now, so the number, therefore the nearest number to 1234, which is divisible by 11, is 1234 minus 2. Okay Nana, so if you subtract 2 here, automatically you have to subtract now here 1234 minus 2. So this becomes 1232. So the nearest number to 1234 which is divisible by 11 is 1232. Okay ma, is it clear to you children? Okay, I hope you understand the today's class Nana. So watch the video carefully and continue the classwork. Okay, if you are not complete in time the classwork, just pause the video and complete the classwork. Okay, bye children, take care of yourself ma.